Essential phrases, pronouns, converse worksheet. We will build a dialogue using pronouns or para. So Bora and Merve talking. Bora and Merve are talking with each other, having a dialogue. Bora says merhaba. Merve says merhaba. Bora says nasılsın? Merve says sen kimsin? Who are you? Okay, let's make it better. Bigger, better conversation. Merhaba. Adınız nedir? What's your name? Benim adım Merve. Bora says nice. Güzel. Then Merve says senin adın ne? Ya senin adın ne? Bora says benim adım Boraman. He lies. Merve says nice to meet you. Bora says Bora says tanıştığıma memnun oldum. We wrote, you have all the PDFs. You can fill it how you want them to talk with each other. Here are your notes. You will put things here. The things you like, find hard, wanna ask, surely will remember about the things you learned. And try to generate random sentences using all words you learned. So you learned many sentences. Even sentences you learned and words. Like güzel, iyi, çok iyi, çok, this stuff. So we can build some sentence. İngiltere nasıl? How is England? You know what is İngiltere? Nasıl? How? İngiltere nasıl? Çok güzel. Very beautiful. Burada çok elma var. Here are many apples. And try to just build sentences. It doesn't matter if you put them in correct way, something. You can try to put them in correct way. It will be better, of course. But the fact that you are putting them, and if you will tell this sentence what you generated to me, I'm 90% sure I will understand what you mean. So its first step is to talk like babies. How they learn a language. Try to talk. They are not like right? And when I'm teaching it to you, you just hearing and learning. Let's keep it natural and fast, efficient, and with less bullshit. No bullshit. Babies don't know what is adjective, what is present continuous perfect tense, right? They first learn to talk, then they learn, it is perfect tense, right? So why in schools they are teaching first this tenses, menses, grammar? No need. First, we are going in the right way. Keep your seatbelts intact. Practice, study.